I'm not here to goof around, and I'm going to show you guys how to change a wheel bearing on a 2nd gen or 3rd gen Dodge with the stupid 4 bolts in the back, and it's impossible to get out. I have a trick that'll change your life. So I'm going to pull all this off, take this nut off, get all that out of the way, and then I'm going to show you some cool tricks, my friends. Okay, so we got our caliper hanging there by a rubber thing. Also, make sure you put on One Last Breath by Creed. It might help you with your frustration. Okay, we've made it to the hard part. You've got those bolts loose, maybe you're already got them out, and you can't get the hub and the wheel bearing off of the spindle. It's seized on there. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Watch closely, my friends. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you've got all those bolts loosened off. They're maybe sticking out, you know, half an inch or whatever. You're gonna have to do this yourself and figure out what's gonna work, but you can see how I've made a kind of a concoction here of 18mm socket for the bolt and then some extensions here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on, and you can see here how I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to turn it in, turn the truck on, and use the power steering to actually press on that bolt, which will push it out. Now you're going to be careful. You do this slowly. You do it just you cycle it around between all 4 until it comes loose, and you switch back and forth sides, and it does take some time, but it will get the job done and solve you a lot of problems. So let's do that now. Okay, so now we're gonna move it to the other side here and do the same thing, and we'll keep working it, and it will go eventually. So I hope you saw what happened there, but it did push the whole wheel bearing out. So now it's cracked loose. That's pretty much it, my friends. You know, you just keep doing that and it'll work. And when you put it back on, take a wire brush, clean up those splines, put anti-seize on, do anti-seize on the bolts, and you should be fine. I'm not gonna waste your time and show you how to put it back on. You can figure that out on your own. But if you need to figure out how to get the wheel bearing off, I hope that video helped you guys. Have a great day, and subscribe and like and leave a comment. Helps the video go up. Helps me make some money to do more videos like this. Have a great day, my friends.